Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. Last year in 2018, Hot Wheels celebrated its 50th anniversary. In this episode we're going to take a look at some of its previous anniversary mainline releases. I'm going to skip 2013 because those cars are too new for this series and none of the cards I have sport a 45th anniversary logo. I will be showing examples from 2008, 2003 and 1998. Some have an anniversary emblem on them, some don't. This first one, the Buick Grand National, does not have the 40th logo, not on the front and not on the back. So this is in the Revealers series. That means it reveals its engine via an opening hood or bonnet. Don't exactly know how this works. It seems like it is kind of stuck. How does this work? I have no idea whatsoever. I thought this would tilt forward easily. Oh, there you go. Okay. So that's how it works. So it slides in the front here and then kind of fits in there. Click. Okay. So these are on there pretty tight, I must say. Anyways, let's give it a spin. Then next up we got a Chevy Nova. This one does have the logo, although it's a little bit ripped off there. So nothing on the back, no logo I mean. Next up, we got the VW New Beetle Cup, the Volkswagen team. 2019 we get also a Volkswagen theme, Volkswagen series in the main lines. So this is an American card. This one doesn't have the 40th logo either. So this is one of these pop-off cars. You can kind of pop off the body from the base. You can see the roll cage in there. And here you have the body. There you go. Next up we get a Celine S7. Also no 40th logo on this one. Blue with blue flames on it, headlight deco. Nice model, this one. And then the last one is this Tesla Roadster. This one does have the logo on it. Here you can see it properly. Not going to open up this one. I'm going to keep it for a Tesla video. I did show a loose one before in a previous first editions, Throwback Thursday. You can find that in my playlist if you want. Then we go to 2003, where Hot Wheels celebrated its 35th anniversary. So here you do get the logo. This is an American card. I'm going to, in the Final Run series, I'm going to show it together with a European short card. Also a Final Run one. Here it also sports that logo. But strangely enough, it says 35th anniversary on the European one and 1968 till 2003 on the American one. Would expect it to be the other way around, because not all people in Europe understand English or can read English, so that would make more sense on the European card, because everyone can read this. Not everyone can read this, so it would have made more sense to be the other way around. But anyways, so this is the ambulance. Very heavy casting. Let's take a look at the back. Just says Final Run. No anniversary logo on the back either. So this is a completely metal body and a plastic base. These were probably Final Run because they weighed too much. They were too heavy for the main lines, or to keep using them in the main lines. And then the other one is the Rig Wrecker, also a heavy piece. This is all metal body. Everything that is red is metal, and then a gold, shiny gold plastic base. Some headlight deco. Next up we get a Mercedes C-Class. This one also has that logo, and here you can see the American card, because this is an American card. It does say 35th anniversary here on this one. This is the back. Here it says again the logo on the back, where the other ones did not have it on the back. Pretty cool casting, this one. A little bit much on the tampos, but the detail on the car is pretty good. Then we get this Lotus Esprit. This one does not have the 35th logo, not on the front and not on the back, although it is a 2003 release, as you can see. In a Sega livery, plastic black spoiler. Next up we get the Mazda MX-5 Miata. This also does not have the 35th logo. This one does have a metal base, like I showed in another Throwback Thursday episode. Then we got the Ford Escort. This one does have the logo, again with the English writing on the American card. No logo in the back or on the back of the card. Very cool casting, this one. Escort Rally, plastic spoiler on top. This one is the last one from 2003. This is the Bugatti Veyron. Not going to open up this one either. American card, but again with the dates underneath it. Going to keep this one for a Bugatti video. And then these also sport the 35th anniversary logo, but these are from 2002. So the previous year, and they already started celebrating. Jaguar Z-Type. This also has a metal base, as I showed in the previous episode. Another 35th anniversary logo on a 2002 card. This is the Baja Bug. Also in all metal casting, matte black color. Then we go to 1998. This is a Ferrari F50, and in 1998 the logo was on the back. 30 years, 1968 till 1998. Not going to open up this one either. Going to keep that for a Ferrari video. But this one I am going to open, a Mercedes 500 SL. Here you have the logo in the back. This one has a protector. That's why I couldn't get it out. So this is plastic base all the way up to halfway of the car, and a half metal body. You get another Mercedes C-Class. Again, the logo on the back. This is in a typically blue Hot Wheels racing livery. Then we get a Jaguar XJ220. Pretty big casting. Plastic base, metal body, purple interior. Here we have a limousine. I like to collect limousines, although this is a fantasy casting. I do like this one very much. I have a few of these. And then the last one is another bug, Baja Bug. So all of these 1998 ones had the logo on the back without exemption. This one is going to make kind of a mess because for some reason there's some kind of metal flake inside the blister. Maybe it's coming from the metal base, I don't know, but I'm glad this is the last one, because otherwise it would mess up all of the other cars. So let's see. what mess this is going to make. To try to keep the box closed, I'm going to have to rinse this one off with some water to get everything off of there, I think. So that's the last one. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.